Welcome to TrueCare TV, where real health stories meet clear medical explanations. Here, we break down pregnancy, child health, and everyday medical conditions in a way that's simple, honest, and easy to understand. If you care about your health and your family's well-being, you're in the right place.
The baby is crying again.
I just fed him. Maybe he needs to be carried. Please, can you help me carry him?
You are not serious. That's your responsibility, not mine. My own is to provide for this home. So what are we eating?
I thought maybe we could order something today.
Order again. We just spend money at the hospital. You're already back home now. You're stronger. My mom cooked the day she came back from the hospital after giving birth.
Babe, please help me out with the chores. I'm not strong enough yet.
Now when you decided to give birth with CS, did you check the cost? Don't make it too spicy.
It's just cooking. I can manage.
Eda, look at me. Look at me. Oh my God. It's okay. It's okay. Daddy's here. Help! Please help! What happened? She just had surgery. She's bleeding. Please, somebody help me.